Hey guys, I'm Raul Morales and I'm a buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Real Estate, where we have all properties in the region and we get you the best price. Let's see what our property specialist Luis has for us today.
Thank you very much, Raul. Guys, my name is Luis Enrique and I am a buyer's representative with Mycasa Real Estate. And today we bring to you another of our real estate video presentations. Today with a very exciting development located in the heart of downtown Playa del Carmen. The location on this development is very special because even though it's in the middle of downtown Playa del Carmen, is without a doubt one of the most peaceful areas in the region. Located just a few blocks from the beach, Fifth Avenue, restaurants, bars, supermarkets, and everything you need to have a convenient life by the beach. Central Park Quintas, that is the name of this development. And units in this complex delivered fully furnished, and right now there's still some availability. Only one bedroom units with prices ranging from $162,000 to $179,000. With a square footage ranging from 522 to 612 square feet. Remember, there is a showroom that is available for you to see so you can check the finishes, the quality of the materials, the space, and the units just delivered this last February 2022, so you will have the possibility of enjoying your unit right away. Amenities and services included in this development that has 6 levels and 38 units include roof terrace, swimming pool, reception, 2 elevators, 24-hour security, underground parking, and a laundry facility. So guys, another really cool option that still has possibilities. It's in a great location and you can enjoy it right away. Remember that we have access to all properties in the region. If you wish to receive more information about property or in general what the process of buying is like in Riviera Maya, please contact us today so that we can be neighbors tomorrow.
If you'd like more information on this property or on any other property in the Riviera Maya, just email us. Well, thanks for watching and let's be neighbors soon.